Hi there. If you have a fatty liver, can you still consume fruit? Which fruits should you avoid and which are the healthiest for you? The video for today is about that. We will discuss the top 10 fruits for people with fatty liver, as well as the 5 fruits that are thought to be the most harmful or should be avoided. Keep checking back as we examine everything using scientific evidence. Enjoy the video, hit the bell, and subscribe to the channel before we start so you don't miss any of our health advice. Use your social networks to spread the word about this video as widely as you can. Our channel focuses on how to take care of our health, which is our most valuable possession. Tell me if you have a fatty liver in the comments section. Does eating fruit make you nervous? Where in the globe or the United States are you from? I would adore hearing from you. Hepatic steatosis, also known as fatty liver, is an increasingly common and worrying condition. Today, around 30 to 40% of the world's adult population carries more fat in their liver than is ideal. This buildup of fat can lead to serious health problems, including cirrhosis and even liver cancer, if not treated properly. But is it necessary to avoid all fruit if you have this condition? Let's explore the truth. Fruits are essential sources of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. However, they contain fructose, which is a natural form of sugar. While fructose in moderate amounts from whole fruits is generally not a concern, excessive intake, especially from processed sources, can contribute to the accumulation of fat in the liver. It's not the fruits themselves that are the issue, but rather how much and how often they're consumed. Unlike fruit, industrialized fructose, like the kind found in corn syrup, poses a much greater threat to liver health. Corn syrup and other fructose-based sweeteners became the standard in the soft drink industry back in the 1980s. This shift contributed significantly to the rising rates of obesity and fatty liver disease worldwide. In the past, fatty liver was a rare condition. Today, it's among the leading causes of liver disease and cirrhosis across the globe. One example comes from the best-selling health book, Outlive. The author, who was a surgical resident at the time, described an experience during a preoperative interview. He asked a patient whether he drank alcohol, and the patient replied no. But when they opened his abdomen, they found a yellow, cirrhotic-looking liver. His supervisor assumed the patient had lied and was an alcoholic. But the truth was even more surprising. The man didn't drink alcohol at all. Instead, he drank 8 cans of Coca-Cola a day. This demonstrates how powerful a role sugar plays in liver health. If you've had an ultrasound and discovered a fatty liver, it's time to take action. Your diet and lifestyle can either help your liver heal or make the problem worse. So what should you avoid? First, alcohol. Alcohol is one of the liver's biggest enemies. In fact, the term non-alcoholic fatty liver disease was created to distinguish it from the type caused by alcohol. Even small amounts of alcohol can damage liver cells, known as hepatocytes, and make fatty liver worse. Next are sugary drinks and soft drinks. These are loaded with sugar and fructose, which promote the buildup of liver fat and insulin resistance. Avoiding these beverages can make a significant difference. Regarding food, sugar is a key offender. Increased liver fat is directly associated with high sugar intake. Candy, cakes, cookies, ice cream, and other sweet delicacies fall under this category. Particularly dangerous are corn syrup and hidden fructose in packaged goods. Fructose is added to a lot of goods, including mustard, ketchup, salad dressings, and condiments. This is why it's so crucial to read labels. Salt is another factor. A diet high in sodium can lead to increased fat in the liver and high blood pressure. This means processed and packaged foods like canned soups, sausages, and frozen meals should be limited. Refined wheat is also problematic. White bread, cookies, and pasta made with white flour contribute to liver fat. Choosing whole grains instead can help reduce the risk. Saturated fats like those found in yellow cheese, bacon, fatty meats, and fried foods can worsen fatty liver disease as well. Replacing them with healthier fat sources is a smart move. Let's now discuss what you should and can eat. Let's start with drinks. For example, it has been demonstrated that coffee possesses protective properties. All varieties of coffee, including regular, decaf, instant, and ground, were linked to a lower chance of developing chronic liver disease, according to a 2021 study that involved almost 500,000 participants in the UK. 3 to 4 cups a day may help improve liver enzymes and reduce liver stiffness. Green tea also supports liver health. Regular consumption can help lower levels of TGO and TGP, two enzymes that rise when the liver is damaged. When it comes to food, oats are a great option. They contain beta-glucans, a type of fiber that helps reduce inflammation and improve liver function. Garlic has also shown promise. In a clinical trial, consuming garlic significantly reduced fat in the liver. Nuts, especially walnuts, are rich in unsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants. These nutrients help prevent fatty liver disease and reduce inflammation. Seeds like chia and flaxseed offer omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that protect the liver and reduce inflammation. Olive oil is another great choice. It helps reduce oxidative stress and improve liver function, while fatty fish like salmon or sardines provide omega-3s that help lower liver inflammation. And don't forget about leafy greens. Vegetables like kale, lettuce, arugula, cabbage, alfalfa, watercress, and broccoli can all reduce liver fat and support overall liver health. Now let's turn to fruit. Some are incredibly helpful, while others should be limited if you have fatty liver. And remember, even the worst fruits are still better than pastries, cakes, and processed breads, as long as you eat them in moderation. One great fruit is grapefruit. It resembles an orange but has red flesh. Grapefruit is high in antioxidants such as naringenin and naringin, which help fight free radicals and protect liver cells. It also supports fat metabolism, helping the liver avoid fat accumulation. However, grapefruit can interfere with some medications, so if you're taking any, consult your doctor before eating it regularly. Apples are another excellent option. They have a low glycemic index, making them safe even for diabetics. Apples are rich in pectin, a type of fiber that helps remove toxins from the digestive tract and eases the liver's workload. Eating apples with the skin boosts their antioxidant benefits. Guava is packed with fiber and vitamin C, more than oranges in some cases. It also contains lycopene and beta-carotene, which protect the liver from oxidative stress. Despite its sweet taste, guava has a low glycemic index and doesn't cause blood sugar spikes. Pasteurized acai is another powerful fruit. It contains anthocyanins, antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the liver. Just be mindful of its high-calorie content and eat it in moderation. Papaya is rich in fiber, beta-carotene, vitamin C, and enzymes like papain and chemopapain. These compounds fight inflammation and protect liver cells. Lemon is especially liver-friendly. It reduces inflammation and lipid peroxidation, lowers liver enzyme markers, and supports detoxification. Drinking lemon juice regularly can be beneficial, but don't overdo it if you have acid reflux. Red grapes are rich in resveratrol, which reduces inflammation and protects against liver damage. They do contain natural sugar, so diabetics should watch their portion sizes. Pomegranate is another excellent choice. It helps regulate blood sugar, improves liver function, and reduces fat accumulation in the liver. Studies also show it improves mitochondrial function, which plays a key role in energy production and fat metabolism. Berries, such as strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries, are full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. They help reduce liver inflammation and fibrosis and support weight control. They also improve insulin sensitivity, which is critical for those with fatty liver. Avocados round out the list. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which help reduce bad cholesterol and improve good cholesterol. They also provide vitamin E, which supports liver cell repair. If you're not sure how to eat avocado without sugar, try it in a salad or as guacamole. It's delicious and satisfying. Mangoes are the first fruit you should limit. It should be consumed in moderation due to its high glycemic load and high sugar content. Despite being high in bromelain and anti-inflammatory properties, pineapples are high in sugar. You can have a tiny bit, but not too much. Although they are abundant in potassium, bananas are also high in sugar. It's okay to consume one banana every day. However, eating multiple bananas can cause liver fat. Dates are nutrient-dense, but extremely high in sugar. One or two as an occasional snack is fine, but consuming many at once can worsen blood sugar control and liver health. Raisins are concentrated in sugar compared to fresh grapes. A small sprinkle in oatmeal or salad is okay, but avoid large portions. The key with all fruit is moderation. If you love sweet fruits like bananas and dates and have fatty liver, balance things by increasing physical activity and reducing the portion size or frequency of consumption. Also, avoid fruit juices, which concentrate the sugar and remove the fiber. Eating whole fruit is always the better choice. Did you like the video? Leave a comment or just drop an emoji with the phrase, 10 fruits for liver fat and 5 worst, so I know you watched all the way to the end. Always remember to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have an existing medical condition. And what video will you watch next? I suggest checking out my video on 7 foods to prevent and avoid stroke, and my playlist featuring the best foods for health, including olive oil, rosemary, turmeric, garlic, and beetroot. If you love learning about natural ways to care for your body, you'll really enjoy it. Thank you for staying with me until the end. May God bless us with health and long life. Let's keep promoting well-being together.